Humans as a species have such a big impact on the world around us. Sometimes it seems like we forget that there are other creatures out there. But they have just as big of an impact on us, and in recent years it seems that more people are becoming aware of this, and some places are curious as to the extent that we're impacted. Nature is all around us, even in today's urbanized environment. Stores have plants in the windows. Cities have parks and gardens, national parks. Highways have trees lining them. We manage lawns at our homes. We even bring plants indoors. Some people feel fulfillment from caring for a living thing, but plants in the ecosystem may have a bigger impact than we thought. In 2015, Stanford University published an article written by Gregory Bratman and James Gross. The two performed an experiment where they took two groups of people and had them walk for 90 minutes in two separate locations. Group A walked in a grassy field with shady oak trees, while Group B walked along a 4-lane road with heavy traffic. They took measurements of heart rate and respiration. They were also made to fill out questionnaires and undergo brain CT scans. When the tests were completed, there was little difference in heart rate and respiration, which didn't look too good for the experiment. However, when they looked at the CT scans, they noted prefrontal cortex activity had decreased. The prefrontal cortex is associated with social relationships, decision-making, and monitoring social behavior. The word of the day is rumination. Rumination is the cycle of negative thoughts running through your mind. When you get upset, whatever made you upset becomes the only thing you can think about. It starts distracting you from your daily life. This was shown to be decreased by at least 20%. Bratman shows excitement over these findings, and James Gross says that although this isn't anything definitive, it's definitely a step in the right direction. This study was revisited in 2018 by Dr. Jason Strauss, Director of Geriatric Psychiatry at Cambridge Health Alliance. The study was performed once again, but with an older generation as the subjects. They were also split up into more than two groups. Some would take group walks, while others would do a solo walk. Measurements were also taken against a controlled group who didn't walk, but instead listened to nature sounds. The findings were the same as the previous experiment. There was no major difference in physiological reactions, but the brain scans revealed that the group walks are just as effective as solo walks, and those who had listened to nature sounds had similar results. Dr. Strauss concluded that a 15 to 30 minute walk in nature can reduce heart rate around 4% and respiration around 9%. But what does this mean for us? Well, it pretty much means try to get outside whenever you have the opportunity. Go for a walk on your lunch break. Go see some new plants at the botanical gardens. Go to the park. Have dinner at the park. Do something that gets you outside.